Good morning everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Newsfeed Career Plus. So let's start our current affairs from today's importance. So on this day, June 7th is celebrated as World Food Safety Day. The main theme of World Food Safety Day is Safe Food Now for a Healthy Tomorrow. So World Food Safety Day is celebrated to draw global attention to the consequences of contaminated food and water to health. This day focuses on the way to reduce the risk of food poisoning. The safety of food is a key to achieve sustainable development goals. And coming to the current affairs, the first question is, who becomes the 7th batsman to hit double century in debut test innings? And the options are A. Kane Williamson, B. Jason Roy, C. Devon Conway, and D. Ben Stokes. And the answer is C. Devon Conway. He is also the first batsman to score double century on the test innings in Lord's Stadium, England, and second from New Zealand to score a double century in his maiden innings. And the second question is, who has launched IEPFA's Hisab Ki Kitab? The options are A. Nirmala Sitharaman, B. Amit Shah, C. Narendra Modi, and D. Anurag Singh Thakur. And the answer is Anurag Singh Thakur. Hisab Ki Kitab is a series of 6 short films of 5 minutes each, whereas IEPFA is Investor Education and Protection Fund Authority. And the third question is, who has inaugurated the UTAB scheme in Ladakh, which is a union territory? And the options are A. Amit Shah, B. LG Mathur, and C. Nirmala Sitharaman, and D. Narendra Modi. And the answer is B. LG Mathur. It is to provide educational tabs to school children. Tabs will be distributed to government school students from 6 to 12 classes, whereas Lenovo has partnered with government in implementing UTAB. And the fourth question is, who has appointed as Metropolitan Commissioner of MMRDA? The options are A. SVR Srinivas, B. T. Chiranjeevulu, C. Thiru S. Muthuswamy, and D. Suhas Divasi. And the answer is A. SVR Srinivas. He was an IAS officer of 1980s batch, whereas T. Chiranjeevulu is Commissioner of HMRDA and Muthuswamy is Chairman of CMRDA, whereas Suhas is Commissioner of PMRDA. And the fifth question is, which country has launched Penguin 4B weather satellite into orbit? And the options are A. Russia, B. USA, C. India, and D. China. And the answer is D. China. Penguin 4B soared into space abroad along March and 3B rocket. The first Penguin series FY-1A launched in 1988 for a short mission. And the sixth question is, which bank has announced its plans to become carbon neutral by 2031 and 2032? And the options are A. Axis Bank, B. HDFC Bank, C. SBI, and D. Indian Bank. And the answer is B. HDFC Bank. And the seventh question is, which country is planning to ban their citizens from investing in Chinese tech and defense firms? And the options are A. USA, B. India, C. Japan, and D. Both A and B. And the answer is A. USA. USA is planning to ban Americans from investing in Chinese tech and defense firms with alleged military team, and the new executive order is expected to come into the effect from August 2nd. And the 8th question is, which of the following organizations signs a contract for 11 airport surveillance radar? And the options are A. Reliance Jio Limited, B. Mahindra Telephonics, and C. Bharati Airtel Limited, and D. BSNL. And the answer is B. Mahindra Telephonics. It has signed a contract for the surveillance radar for around 11 airports in India for security purposes. And the 9th question is, who has launched a seed mini kit program? And the options are A. Amit Shah, B. Narendra Modi, and C. Narendra Singh, and D. Nirmala Sitharaman. And the answer is C. Narendra Singh. He is serving as Union Agriculture Minister and launched this scheme as a major tool for introducing new seed varieties into fields. It is funded by government through National Food Security Mission. And the 10th question is, which institute develops nanofiber based amphotericin B oral tablets, AMB? And the options are A. IIT Hyderabad, B. IIT Bombay, C. IIT Delhi, and D. IISc Bangalore. And the answer is A. IIT Hyderabad. These tablets help in treating fungal infection which currently spreading in India. And the 10th question is completed, and we are going to the 11th question. The Indian government has extended validity period of TET qualifying certificate from 7 years to how many years? And the options are A. 10 years, B. 15 years, C. 20 years, and D. lifetime. And the answer is D. lifetime. The Indian government has extended validity period of TET qualifying certificate, whereas TET is teacher eligibility test, from 7 years to lifetime. And the 12th question is, who becomes the second fastest woman in history for 100 meters running? And the options are A. US Florence Griffith Joyner, B. Carmelita Jeter, C. Shelley Ann Fraser Pryce, and D. none of the above. And the answer is C. Shelley Ann Fraser Pryce. She becomes the second fastest woman in the history with 10.63 seconds for the 100 meters at Olympic Destiny meeting in Kingston, whereas US Florence is the first fastest woman in the history. And the 13th question is, what is the 6th national park of Assam? And the options are A. Ramona National Park, B. Manas National Park, C. Nameri National Park, and D. Kaziranga National Park. And the answer is A. Ramona National Park. Ramona National Park is in Kokrajhar district. The CM Himanta Biswa Sharma has announced 6th national park on World Environment Day. And the 14th question is, who won the International Business Book of the Year award? And the options are A. Nitin Rakesh, B. Rajiv Malhotra, C. Jerry Wind, and D. both A and C. And the correct answer is both A and C. Nitin Rakesh and Jerry Wind won the award for their recently launched book transformation in times of crisis. And the 15th question is, which state government launches Chief Minister Anuprati coaching service? And the options are A. Gujarat, B. Rajasthan, C. Assam, and D. both B and C. And the answer is B. Rajasthan. It is to help underprivileged students prepare for civil services and professional courses. So, going to the one-liners today. So, the first one-liner is, Sanjeev Kohli appointed as next ambassador of India to Serbia. Whereas Sanjeev Kohli is an IFS 1988 batch, presently High Commissioner of India to Tanzania. And Indian wrestler Sumit Malik has failed in dope test, and 8 other Indian wrestlers booked their places in Tokyo. Vinay K. Nandikuri has been appointed as the director at CSIR CCMB. Social Justice Minister T. Gehlot launches Sage Portal to assist elder people, senior citizens. And Serum Institute gets DCGI nods to manufacture COVID vaccine Sputnik V in India. CBSE in collaboration with Microsoft to introduce coding and data science. Prominent Telugu author Kalipatnam Ramarao passes away. And Rafael Nadal won the most singles title in French Open 2021, whereas totally 13 titles is in the French Open. And thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down your doubts below about current affairs. Thank you. Stay safe, stay home.